A truckload of premium shrimp just hit your plant. But here's the hard truth. Inconsistent sizes tank your profits. Manual sorting? That's money down the drain. So, the question arises, how do you achieve fast and accurate shrimp grading? Meet your new efficiency booster, the automatic shrimp grader. Food-grade stainless steel. Construction ensures hygiene. Smart adjustment system for precise size calibration. Universal compatibility processes head-on, peeled, cooked, and ready-to-eat shrimp. This integrated system combines cleaning and grading part. Conveyor system with gentle water jets gives shrimp a thorough cleanse. And it can evenly distribute shrimp to grading section. Adjustable roller gaps separate shrimp by size. Larger shrimp fall through wide gaps. Smaller specimens exit through narrow spaces. Automatic collection belts organize sorted shrimp. Seamlessly connects with pre-processing and quick freezing equipment to create complete shrimp production lines. Double your efficiency, double your profits. Upgrade to intelligent shrimp grading today. If you need, cut me.